Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mini Countryman. Starting your vehicle is a straightforward process, but knowing the correct steps ensures a smooth experience every time. We'll cover the essential actions you need to take, from inserting your key fob to engaging the engine. This guide will help you get on the road quickly and confidently, making sure you understand each crucial step for a reliable start. Your Mini Countryman's key fob is more than just a remote. It holds a special transponder chip that communicates with your car. This advanced system ensures that only your specific key can start the engine, providing an extra layer of security. Depending on your model, you might insert the key into a slot or simply have it in your pocket for a push-button start. Understanding this technology helps you appreciate your vehicle's smart design. Sometimes, your Mini Countryman might not start as expected. Don't worry, there are a few common issues you can easily troubleshoot. First, always check your car's main battery and ensure the steering wheel isn't locked. Also, make sure you're pressing the brake pedal down completely. If your key fob battery is weak, try holding the fob directly against the steering column while pressing the start button. These simple checks often resolve the problem. Once your Mini Countryman is running, consider a few best practices for its longevity. It's a good idea to let the engine warm up for about 30 seconds to 1 minute before driving, especially in colder weather. Avoid revving the engine hard right after starting, as this can put unnecessary strain on components. Always refer to your owner's manual for model-specific advice, and remember that consistent maintenance is key to a dependable start every time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.